Hi everyone, my name is Anny Al Andary and I'm third year agricultural engineering at research. Today I'm going to talk about my project, which is mapping endemic species along the hiking trails in India. So as you can see here, I designed a website where each person can discover the map, discover the story that I created, report and discover. I created two surveys, one for people when they are walking to locate endemic species, and the second if they saw a fire or they saw something that is restricted and they reserve to report about it, and those are the social information of the particular.
واحدة واحدة شو بدك تبلشي؟
Okay, this map here represents all the trails in the reserve. Each color trail represents a path. And during the walk in the Horsh, I located several endemic species, and they are not only found here, they are found some across Lebanon, and they are threatened all over Lebanon. And as you can see here, we have a filter, so you can decide what flower you can see, trail to know which path you are working on, the legend, you can change you can see the layers, and you can change the base map of the one you are working on. So, now about the story, why did I choose Horsh Ehden? Because it is known for its biodiversity, and it is a known about. Okay, and this is a video inside the walking. This is we took the coordinates where it is located. After this, we show the map, and it is known as a bird reserve area. I talked about the flora, the most endemic one, and they are found in Ehden. This is a scene in Ehden. Some people can rest, and there is a water source. This is the flora. Okay. The classification table shows what species are threatened, if they are least threatened, vulnerable to threatened. This is the Malus trilobata. It is only found in this reserved area. And this is the Antus Karami, because it is known for the legend Yusuf Karami Beg died. And there is also the Sidrus Libani. It is also reserved only there. And we have the Alpinius, it's the highest point found in Ehden, وبعدين موجود تحت في Okay, let's look to the phone now. Okay. Okay, the reserve has more than 168 bird species. Some travel and some are found there. Those, okay, you can see a lot of fauna. Also, they are endangered and endemic. This is a video showing the wolf, which is also rare, and it is threatened all across Lebanon. Here it is a female one, and they found it pregnant, so this is a good thing. And we also saw the hyena, and as we all know, hyena is the animal, and it is also threatened due to الساد الجائر وكل شيء. It's an amazing animal. Okay, and conversation table is very important as it shows the type of the species, if it is at high risk, moderate, or at close risk to being endangered or threatened. So we also talked about the zonation map. Some parts it is for conservation, and the other it is for the control and managed area. Okay, we also talked about the habitat type because it is a very large place, it covers around 1,000 hectares. So that's why, as you can see here of the further, we have several habitat types. Okay, mountainous roadside deciduous, we have the pine forest, the Arabian land, junipers, and cedar forest, and everything else. We also did a wildfire risk. Luckily, that no risk have ever happened in the reserve, but it happened only in the buffer zone. So this is a good thing because it shows that the reserve is well managed. And okay, this is here at high risk. And where we have the white trees, it is at high risk of being encountered to fire. And these one places where the fire happened. It is in the buffer zone.
So buffer zone is outside the reserve, but also it's protected.
Okay. This is the survey where people, if they want to Horsh Ehden, it will be a great opportunity to tell us what they found. Not only the species that I located, but also other species where we can help them to tell them more about them. And it is a good opportunity for us to locate those species and keep track of them for later on use. And this is the threat if they see someone going to picnic and fires, illegal hunting, this is all banned in the reserve, but it is natural. Future work will of course continue locating more species as it will help us in knowing where they are and we can track them, and if there was a disruption in the Horsh, we could know why it happened and explore everything and try to protect more those endemic species. Thank you.